Hey, it's Cousin Tim from Missouri. Today what we're going to do is make some slow cooker carnitas. Carnitas are normally deep fried pork shoulder that they cook until it's crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. And today we're going to show you how to do these in a slow cooker and then finish them off in a way that will get you that nice crust on the outside and give you that real authentic carnitas taste. See you in a bit. Okay, so what we got right here is about 3 pounds of boneless country style ribs, which is basically like a butt roast or a pork shoulder that's been cut up into chunks. It's actually not ribs, but it's just good marbled meat, got lots of fat, connective tissue in it that's going to render down, make these really soft, tasty, and juicy. What we're going to do first off, we've got quartered onion, some chili peppers, some lime, crushed garlic, bacon fat, and the seasoning for it, which is salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, and cumin. So here we go. First off, what we're going to do is slather these with some of this bacon fat to give this seasoning something to stick to. It's also going to give this a little bit of a smoky, bacony taste to it, which is kind of like what they do when they render out these carnitas when they're frying them in a big cauldron when they're cooking these the authentic way in Mexico. But we're going to slather these up with some of this bacon fat. If you don't save your bacon fat when you cook your bacon out, you're doing yourself a disservice because there's lots of things you can do with the bacon grease. It's good flavoring for all kinds of stuff. Get this all slathered up on here. Wash my hands real quick. All right, now we're going to season these up and get them ready to go into the slow cooker. Liberally season this up. This meat's going to have a long time to cook, and I'm going to stick this in there and let it run for probably 5 or 6 hours probably. These things get nice and tender on the inside, and then we're going to run through and crisp them up and get them done. All right, we got them all seasoned up now. What we're going to do is get them into the slow cooker over here. I'm going to throw these onions in, get them down in there, break them up a little bit, spread them out some, throw these chilies in there. You don't have to put hot chilies in there. You can put any kind in there. All you really want is just that kind of peppered taste, that good chili flavor to come through in there. Throw garlic down in there. Now we're going to layer in this pork. Stick it down in there. Get our lime juicer out here and squeeze that lime in there. Just drop the lime down in there. Ain't gonna hurt that a bit. Just get some more of that nice citrus flavor in there. Alright. There we go. We'll let that run for 5 or 6 hours, and we'll be back whenever it's done, and we'll crisp them up and get ready to have some carnitas tacos. See you after a while. Okay, so what I got right here, this has been in this slow cooker for about 5.5 hours. Well, we're going to take this right here that come out here and it doesn't look all that great right now. We're going to put it over here into this pan of hot bacon grease, and we're going to fry it till it's crispy on the outside and tender on the inside. Let me get this set up and we'll get going on it. Alright, we're going to get this going. We're going to take this a little bit at a time. This oil is really hot. We're going to stick that in there. Let that fry up on the outside so it's nice and crispy. See how tender this is? That's what we're looking for. Get this all crisped up on the outside. It's going to go quick, so we just leave it in there for just a minute or so on each side, and then we'll flip it over. Woo! Popping like crazy. Alright. What you gotta watch for is them fat pockets in there getting in that hot grease and wanting to explode on you. There we go. See nice crispy edges on there. That's what you're looking for. I'm gonna finish this up and then we'll shred this up and make some tacos out of it. Be back with you in a little bit. There we have it. Your carnitas. Toppings for your taco. Let's build one of these and see how it tastes. See you in a bit.